Hi, everybody. I am so happy to see you during the month of February. This month, we are going to be celebrating the whole month of Black History Month. We are going to be learning about important people, important topics, and reading a lot of important books for this Black History Month. So, today's book, we are going to start by looking at our library. We have curated a special library for this month to celebrate. It's got some of our favorites, and today we are going to pick our book right on that second top shelf. You can take a look around. I see some really good books. I really like that book called Last Stop on Market Street, that book with the bus. I see some pictures, black and white, of some important people like President Barack Obama and Madam Vice President Kamala Harris as well. So we are going to take a start with this book right here called Hair Love. Hair Love by Matthew Cherry and Vashti Harrison. Here is my front cover of Hair Love. What do you see on our front cover today? Go ahead and tell me out loud, whisper it to yourself, or tell somebody next to you. What do you see on our front cover today? Ooh, we see a little girl. We see maybe a daddy or a brother, uncle. I see the letter H really big, and I see the letter L really big. Hair Love. Let's go ahead and start our book and see what this book is about. Here is our title page, Hair Love. Hair Love. My name is Zuri, and I have hair that has a mind of its own. It kinks, coils, and curls every which way. Daddy tells me it's beautiful. That makes me proud. I love that my hair lets me be me. Not in funky braids with beads. I am a princess. And when my hair is in two puffs, I am above the clouds like a superhero. Can you put your hands on your waist like Zuri? She looks like a superhero. My hair even does magic tricks. One day, Rocky and I were playing outside when along came the rain. From large to small it went. Presto, just like that. There is nothing my hair can't do. Does your hair change when it gets wet? When you take a bath or get caught in a rainstorm, does anything about your hair change? Give me a thumbs up if yes, a thumbs down if no, or maybe a shrug for I don't know. Today I woke up extra early all by myself. I was too excited to sleep. It is a big day. She's too excited to sleep. She's got to wake up. Daddy was still sleeping. Shh, I said to Rocky as we tiptoed past him. Lately, Daddy has been worn out. He makes me breakfast, takes me to school, goes to work, picks me up, and yesterday we went for a bike ride around the park. I think he needs a break. Sometimes our mommies and daddies, our uncles or grandmas, they need a break. They work so hard. Because today is special, I want a perfect hairstyle. This calls for a professional touch. Paws off, Rocky. Daddy heard the crash. Zuri, what on earth? Uh-oh, what happened to her iPad? Yeah, Rocky knocked it out of her hand, her kitty cat. It says crack. Her iPad is broke. She dropped her iPad. Her dad came in to help. I was only trying to help, I said. Daddy smiled. Can I help too? It'll be a piece of cake, Zuzu. The first style was a big no way. The dad looks pretty impressed. The second style was no better, no, Daddy. Then Daddy tried slicking my hair back into two puffs. Ouch! Daddy yelled. He's tried 3 different hairstyles, but they're not working. Wait a minute, Daddy said as he reached into the drawer and pulled out a pick. Ta-da! Daddy, really? I'll be right back, he promised. Wow, look at that beautiful Afro-style hair. Daddy tried to use a pick on it and she does not look impressed. She got her arms folded like this. She looks kind of frustrated. Now, how's that? He asked, pulling a hat down over my eyes. Daddy, come on. We can do better than that. I really need my hair to be special. Don't worry, he said. We'll figure this out. Then I had a great idea. Did Zuri want to wear a hat? No. Daddy doesn't know what to do, so he put a hat on her head. But she says, I have a great idea. Let's think. What do you think Zuri's idea is? What do you think Zuri's idea is? She's got her eyes big and a big smile. She's excited about her idea. My idea is maybe Zuri is gonna watch a YouTube video and learn how to do her hair. Maybe she'll help her dad do her hair. What do you think her idea is? Let's find out. Daddy gathered all the tools we needed and we were set. Oh, look at the bathroom sink. Let's go back. Look at that bathroom sink. What are they watching? It looks like a YouTube video. I might be right. Watching carefully, Daddy combed, parted, oiled, and twisted. He nailed it. Funky puff buns. Pretty, and so much fun. Rocky approved. I put on my superhero cape as the final touch and to a perfect look. How does she look about that hairstyle? Does she look kind of mad about it? Does she look kind of sad about it? No, she looks so excited. Her hands are out. She looks proud of her hair. It's beautiful. Beautiful, funky puff buns. Let's see what's going to happen next. The door says click. Where's my Zuzu? Mommy called from the door. She could not get in the house fast enough. You've got to be the prettiest Supergirl I have ever seen, she said. What is Mom wearing today? What do you see is Mom wearing? I see she's got sneakers on. I see she has a suitcase. I wonder why she has a suitcase. Maybe she was somewhere else. She was on a trip. She has a sweater on, and I see she has a scarf on her head also. Some people wear scarves on their head as a fashion choice. That's something they want to wear. Or some religions have us wear scarves on our head. Or sometimes we get sick and we lose our hair and we wear scarves on our head also. I wonder what Zuri's going to say. Let's see. What does our next page say? The sign says, welcome home, Mom, and your hair is beautiful, Zuri. Who did it? I looked at Daddy and beamed. Mommy smiled. Very nice. Thank you. We learned from the best, Daddy said as he gave her a big hug. My hair is Mommy, Daddy, and me. It's hair love. Oh, and the iPad says flash. They're taking a picture. That kitty cat does not look happy to take that picture. She said her hair is Mommy, Daddy, and her. Does all of their hair look the same or does it look different? Let's think. Does everybody in that picture, is their hair the same or is it different? I hear us saying it's kind of the same color, some of the hair, but it's different styles. Today, you are going to look in a mirror or in the camera of your computer or on a cell phone. I can take my cell phone and maybe get a camera up. Let's see, where's my camera? Do you see that picture of you? There's my camera, there's you. And I'm gonna look at what my hair looks like, what my face looks like, what I'm wearing. I see my hair is the color brown and it's in a bun. I have glasses on today and a black shirt. I want you to look at your camera or a mirror and tell me what you see. What color is your hair? What color is your hair? Oh, we've got lots of different colors, maybe brown or black colored hair or blonde, or maybe we don't have any hair. What style is your hair? Do you have your hairs in braids? Do you have short hair that you get cut? Do you have maybe no hair? You maybe shave your head. Do you have maybe 2 pigtails or 2 puffs? Or maybe some beads or barrettes in your hair? Let's look at our skin next. What color is your skin? What crayon color are you going to use in your self-portrait? Maybe you have kind of a color like chocolate or coffee or chocolate milk or cinnamon, peach or vanilla ice cream. I'm going to use, let me get my crayons out. They're over here. I'm going to pick some colors and draw a self-portrait. Let's look at some of our self-portraits that we can look at. Let me find where they are. There they are. We can use these pictures to draw a self-portrait. Here is a self-portrait done by Frida Kahlo. She draws herself, her hairstyle, her monkeys. She had some monkey friends. Then we see some other self-portraits from other kids. What kind of self-portrait are you going to make? You're going to start with some paper. Let's find our material list also. We're going to start with some paper. Here's my notebook, some crayons, and some pencils. I start by drawing maybe my face. I have kind of an oval shaped face, so I'm going to draw my head as an oval. There's my circle, my oval, I mean. I have glasses. They're kind of like rectangles. They've got long on top, short on the sides, 4 sides. They're kind of brown, so I'm going to pick my brown and add it to my circle. There's my glasses. I have brown eyes also. There's my brown eyes and my nose, a smile. My hair is brown. I'm going to put my hairstyle right now. I have a bun. There's my bun. And I'm going to add all those other colors. My skin, I call my skin that skin is white. But when I actually look at it, it's kind of pinky-ish, kind of peachy. So I'm going to add some of this light pink on my face because that's what my face skin color kind of is. Not really yellow like my paper or white. It's kind of pinkish. I'm going to show you my finished self-portrait that I made with my friends. Here is me. Does it look good? I've got glasses and ears, a smile, my black shirt, my plants even around me. You are going to draw a self-portrait, a picture of yourself. Look in the mirror, look in your camera, and draw who you see, you. You're going to draw you. All right, I am so excited to see all of your drawings. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Have fun.